Hello there. Do you love using your rooftop tent or mounting other accessories to your roof rack, but you're just a total headache trying to get that stuff up there and get it mounted? Well, I have a solution for you. It's the Hard Impact Designs rooftop tent quick release mounts. I'm gonna mount my rooftop tent here and, I guess you can't see it, oh, there, my road shower to the truck right there. So give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how this system works. So it's been 5 minutes, but that's just lining the truck up. I'm gonna set this up here to show you how this actually works together. That's it, folks. Your upper bracket fits over your lower bracket, and you push the pin right through. These are lock ball pins, so you see they do not come out. It's that simple. Your tent is installed. So I said 5 minutes. I'm a little sweaty because it's warm out here. That took me maybe 6 minutes, and most of that you saw was just lining the truck up. I'll speed up this recording so it'll be a little bit shorter when it's posted, but you get the general idea. It's a few pins, an upper bracket, a lower bracket, and you're ready to go.